Welcome back. Garbage is lying untreated at the Murga Municipal Council's solid waste treatment plant from the last 3 months. The reason? Machinery breakdown. But the dumping of garbage is still on.
This is Murga Municipal Council's solid waste treatment plant. The treatment of garbage is stopped from last 3 months. Machinery to treat the garbage has broken down. The heap of garbage is increasing day by day. National Center for Antarctic and Ocean Research has started filling a pinch of the untreated garbage. Director of NCAOR, Rasik Ravindra, has expressed fear of uncertainty due to continuous dump of garbage in the sea.
I think if you remember sometimes back, there were incidents of fire along all these, because once you keep on dumping these things, and there's a lot of methane gas which comes up from this garbage, and then the grass becomes very dry during the summer months, and then it catches fire. Number of times, very close to our campus, there have been fire, and we have to call the fire tenders and all that. So it's basically a risk also.
ट्रीटमेंट सारखे हांगसर जायना. ट्रीटमेंट मशीन मोडलेले आसा, पोकलेन शवळ मोडलेले आसा, आनी आतां ही गार्बेज अशी जाल्ली आसा की हांगसर म्युनिसिपालिटीच्या गार्बेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांटान हांगसर गार्बेज दवरपाक जागो ना. गार्बेज आतां सगळी आतां गेटी कडेन तेकलेली आसा. हे अशेंच जर हे उरलें जाल्यार एक दीस असो जातलो की वास्कोची गार्बेज म्हणटा ती आनी खंयच उडोवपाक येवची ना. ही गार्बेज आतां हळू दर्या वटेनूय धुकलून उडोवपाक लागलेले आसा. वास्कोच्यान प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकयकर.
Now news from sports. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy, but all play and no rest can injure him severely. An apt example to this adage was the ever-growing list of injuries that India faced on their recent tour of England. Former Indian cricketer Vinod Kambli believes the players need to be given some much-deserved rest by the BCCI. Sachin's childhood batting buddy has condemned the cash-rich IPL and has asked selectors to pick players on the basis of BCCI-recognized tournaments and not the Premier League.
Nearly 8 players picked up injuries when India toured England a few months ago. It is a no-brainer that the excess amount of cricket being played by the players led to several of those injuries.
The injury part is unfortunate that the players are going through, because they require rest. The selectors and the board also should think about giving rest to the players, because they're constantly playing, and I feel that rest is, when an injury happens, the rest has to be given properly. And the players, all I can say to the players is that don't hide your injury, because if you go on a tour, you might aggravate that injury again. So I feel that if you are injured, be frank and be frank about your injury. Don't hide your injury.
Team India's bowling department looked toothless without Zack Attack when the Baroda pacer pulled out on the first session of the first day of the first test match at Lord's. Then followed the batting maestro Sachin Tendulkar, Gautam Gambhir, Praveen Kumar, Rohit Sharma and the likes.
The selectors should not only think about IPL. They should look into the domestic circuit and how give more importance to the Ranji Trophy, Dulip Trophy and whatever the BCCI tournaments. I feel if you give more importance to them, you'll get bigger stars. There are bigger stars, who are hidden. Those who have to, the selectors have to bring them out. Not from IPL. IPL is just, I don't consider IPL as the biggest tournament or something. It's okay. People are making money off it, but I feel the real cricket is one-day cricket, and the test, I think the test match is the biggest.
A reporter from Banavale, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Wrestling in Goa is on the revival. 14 Goan wrestlers are all set to compete in the upcoming national championship at Uttar Pradesh. The nationals begin on 14 October. The team will leave on Monday for Gonda, Uttar Pradesh.
Vijay Sardesai is putting his efforts in to revive the 37-year-old association. The president of the association says the association had been in hibernation for a while now and hopes that the athletes will deliver the goods at the championships.
And we are sending a 14-member Goan squad to Gonda in UP, which will participate in the nationals there on the 14th, 15th and 16th in Gonda. We feel that wrestling is a traditional sport which requires to be given some encouragement, especially because it's one of the few Indian sports which shines at the international level. The Goan Wrestling Federation of late had hibernated. We have tried to revive it, and we've tried to provide as much support to the players and to the coaches.
Goa will participate in the light and heavyweight categories. Coach Prasad Sheth gave a few more details of the team composition.
फर्स्ट दोन लायट वेटाचेर आमकां कितें एक अपेक्षा आसा लायट वेटाचेर
जी ट्रेनिंग आसा तितून ट्रेनिंग कितले टायम म्हणल्यार दिता तांकां
हांव दिसाक एक 4 वरां ट्रेनिंग घेता
जे आतां तेंची फिटनेस कशी आसा
फिटनेस बरें आहा हेवी वेटाचेर मातशें आमचे भुरगे वेट तेंचो हेवी वेट म्हटल्यार सारको परफेक्ट वेटाचेर आमचे भुरगे अजून तितले हे जाल्ले ना म्हणटकूच सारको परफेक्ट वेट आसत तर जाल्यार ताका चड हे आसता अपेक्षा आसता.
A reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.